Hello everyone, welcome to our collaborative operation platform. With the popularity of IT technology, internet technology, artificial intelligence, especially mobile internet technology and the popularity of artificial intelligence, our collaborative operation platform adopts new technologies in such a background and constantly explores the integration of new technologies and office scenarios to promote the enhancement of product capabilities. Currently, our collaborative operation platform consists of 5 major capabilities: technology, mobile, integration, data, and application. Based on these 5 capabilities, our system is able to meet the different functional needs of organizations, whether it is the needs of the basic office or the needs of different business scenarios. So let's go into the basic function part first. The first is the Collaborative Work Management Center. Collaboration Work Management is a platform for effective connection of people, things, and objects in the organization by digital means, through the definition of processes, permissions, and rules to achieve the planning, coordination, operation, and control of business. Optimizing organizational behavioral management and improving performance are aimed at promoting organizational standardized management and improving operational efficiency. Among them, Collaboration Workflow Engine is the core of Collaboration Operation Platform, which is divided into 2 modes: template collaboration and free collaboration. Free collaboration can be achieved by customizing process rules and event content to achieve intra-organizational work communication and task collaboration. The template collaboration, on the other hand, is based on the organization management system, predefined processes and data formats, audit rules, business processing roles. Designed by the administrator's backend, the end user directly invokes the initiation of the process. Default does not allow human intervention, thus ensuring the implementation of information technology of the organization's management system. For example, take a free collaboration scenario. As an administrator, you need to collect information about your employees. First of all, fill in the title of the item and the need for everyone to cooperate with the content. The format of the content also supports Word, Excel, and can upload relevant attachments. Then let's select the target person who needs to send it, and we can define the processing authority of each person on the flowchart. After making the flow, click Send. The item will then flow to the corresponding person for processing. As the recipient of the item, you can view the content of the matter through the To-Do Center and respond to the comments and handle the matter in the matter processing area. During processing, we can likewise upload the content of attachments that need to be provided and can reply to comments with other people in the process. Next, we look at another model, template collaboration. In daily work, there are many collaborative matters through the organization's internal management system to complete the processing. Such work requires each role in the process must be strictly in accordance with the organization's definition of the business or workflow operations. For example, now need to draft a contract for approval processing. We can directly call the contract approval template. Just fill in the template content in accordance with the relevant mandatory information can be the style of the process, fill in the content. The processor has been set up in advance. At the same time, you can also view the historical data, call, and so on. After sending the completion of the contract approval, the process will automatically carry out the flow of different roles in accordance with the preset rules for processing. Through the process rules to complete the matter and record the process and results of transaction processing, the entire collaboration process can be viewed, controlled, interactive, convenient according to the need to organize multiple people to cooperate with the affairs of cross-departmental collaboration. After the end of the process as a whole, the initiator can search and view the history of the process, archiving, and other ways to organize. These are the features of our collaboration module. Next, let's move on to another module, meeting management. The meeting management module is designed for the meeting work scenario, providing the whole process management before, during, after the meeting, solidifying the whole process of meeting management through information technology, covering the whole process of meeting notification, feedback from participants, meeting minutes, and so on. In the meeting management space, we can browse the information of pending meetings, meeting room reservation, and other data. We can launch a meeting notification, notify the meeting of relevant information, such as meeting location, time, participants, and other important information. The meeting can be sent to the participants. The initiator of the meeting can get the meeting's receipt information so as to count the number of participants. At the same time, you can also view the information of open and pending meetings. When the meeting is over, the relevant personnel can prepare the minutes of the meeting and upload them to summarize the important information of the meeting. At the same time, we can manage conference rooms, meeting materials, and other conference resources. We can query the use of conference rooms, book conference rooms, and help organizations to arrange all kinds of meetings in a standardized and orderly manner. Finally, our meeting features can be integrated with third-party conferencing systems, and attendees can access third-party conferencing systems with a single click through the conferencing link or related integration features. Next, let's take a look at the knowledge document. Knowledge documents are the tangible embodiment of business results. Establishing an organization knowledge system provides data support for business decision-making, such as public knowledge, news announcements, company systems, etc., process approval-related information, forms, etc., implementation information, meeting task plans, etc., and employee information, discussions, skills and experience, etc., are classified, stored, and recorded, and a platform for knowledge accumulation, sharing, and use is built for the organization to accumulate personal and organizational knowledge and to solve the problem of finding and sharing knowledge documents. Knowledge Document provides a comprehensive knowledge document management framework, centralized and classified management of knowledge documents, files, unstructured information, etc. When organization personnel need to search for knowledge documents, they can quickly get the information and knowledge they need and establish a centralized, clear, and classified knowledge management system for the organization. Firstly, we can create different folders for documents to be categorized, stored, and viewed. Secondly, for the creation of documents, we can create a variety of online document types, such as Word, Excel, etc., but also can directly upload local files. When searching for documents, you can search by title, keyword, sender, and so on. According to different positions and roles, personnel have different permissions, and the relevant authorized personnel can carry out operations such as downloading, renaming, and viewing permission settings for documents. Finally, for important documents can be directly collected, easy to view again. The fourth module is the Information Sharing Center, which has its culture and value for any organization. In the News module, we can retrieve the major events of organizational development, policy releases, industry news, team style, etc. By commenting and liking the news, we can achieve the participation of all people, thus creating a harmonious and efficient office atmosphere. When rules and regulations, notices, and announcements are released to groups, units, and departments, different permissions can be set for users with different roles according to job levels and departments. The survey discussion in the platform is an online interactive template for all people to participate and share, which is freer and more diversified, and the anonymous posting characteristic makes it easier to protect employees' privacy. In short, the collaborative operations platform reduces human error and duplication of effort through automation and standardization of processes, speeds up approval and execution so that work progress can all be tracked in real time, and the management is able to better understand the status of each link and make timely decisions. By creating an agile organization through digital means, it enhances the transparency and standardization of operations and helps organizations to achieve efficient operations.